Hi, Joyce.
Hi.
So, Joyce, what's a daily routine that happens here in your kitchen?
The first thing we do is come down and feed our dog and our cat. So most of our pet supplies are here. They have all their food nicely organized, and they also get some after they eat. They get their snacks, and which is also here.
Very nice drawers. What are some of your favorite features here?
There are a lot of features I really like here. One of the things that I like is that every time we need to eat or feed our cats or dogs, plates are here, and then it's easily accessible. Everything has a space for itself. Yeah. And then for them, we're also able to store their plates here as well. Yeah, I really like it. And then, and then our trash bins, whenever we're done feeding them, we can just bring it to here and then just clean, and everything goes here, which is really great.
So much functionality.
Yes.
Is this usually where you prep your food?
Usually I prep my food over there, just because my spices are here, and then our pots and pans are there. But I wouldn't call it like cooking, you know? You know how people get fancy with cooking? I'm just a simpleton, just do the basic.
At least everything is organized.
Everything is organized, that is very true.
And where do you keep additional storage?
Over here. So we keep our appliances out the way, or so that it's hidden from people. And we love this, I think they call it garage door. And then so our Vitamix and KitchenAid and rice cookers are all there. So it's hidden from people.
Nice. Is that your microwave?
No, this is our oven, and the microwave is hidden in here.
I love that. What about the cabinets below?
Oh, yeah. This is where we have our foil and, plastic wrap and Ziploc and things like that. We also have space for dishwasher items and, lots of little gadgets there. And I love the storage space for if we want to bake, everything is there as well.
What did your previous kitchen look like before?
Not functional. We used to have a space here that had a microwave cart, and it would get dusty and it just didn't flow. And then my husband and I would run into each other, and it just doesn't have a good flow. Now, we have space to expand, and then we're not in each other's way.
Very nice. So much functionality.
Oh, I love it.
Well, thank you so much for letting us into your home today.
No problem. Thank you for coming by.
Walkthrough.
Thank you.